Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we'll learn how to make winter melon soup with barley. I think it's the best Chinese soup for summer. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare 6 slices of ginger for this soup. Then save them for later. Next, we should wash 250 gram fresh winter melon for this soup. Then cut it into small pieces. Please don't cut it into thick pieces. It will need more time to cook if we do that. Then save them for later. After that, we should fry barley. Add 50 gram barley into the pan. Use the middle fire to fry it to be close golden yellow. According to the opinion of traditional Chinese medicine, the barley belongs to the cold food that needs to use the fry method to remove the cold attribute. Then use water to wash it. Then save it for later. Next, we should wash 300 gram fresh pork ribs. If you buy it from the market, you can ask the salesperson to help you chop it. Then save it for later. After that, we should blanch pork ribs. Firstly, add 3 slices of ginger, pork ribs into the pan. Add enough water to immerse it. Then use the bigger fire to boil it. After the water has boiled, blanch pork ribs for 3 minutes. Then use water to wash them. Then drain and save them for later. Now we can start to cook winter melon soup with barley. Add 3 slices of ginger, pork ribs, barley into the pots. Then add about 1,400 ml water to immerse them. Use the bigger fire to heat them. After the water has boiled, use a small fire to cook them for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, add winter melon into the pots and use a small fire to cook them for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add 1 teaspoon salt into the pan. Stir them evenly. Then we got the delicious winter melon soup with barley. The soup is very light and fresh. It's very suitable for summer. Hope you can try it at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.